Change out this cable because you hear the fan running? No, you don't. Over, remove the bottom panel screws. Move your bottom panel and disconnect the fan. Just what we want to change out is this guy right here. So we're going to take these clips off. And there's another one right here. I need two hands. Well, like so, and then we gotta get this glue off here so that this doesn't tear anything up when we remove it. It's out, and now we put on our new one. If you're on the road printing, you might want to put some glue on that because the machine's gonna be bouncing around a lot. But if it's just gonna be sitting on your bench or on your shelf, your red shelf, then you're probably fine not any glue if it seats really good. If it feels loose, put a little hot glue right there. We need to disconnect that one, and then this guy right here. Connect your new cable, this plug and that plug. Run it up here, drop it in here, and put it in the little slots here. If you can. I haven't reinstalled the bottom yet because I want to do a little self-test first and see if everything's okay. And normally if this comes on, you're connected properly because they all go through that one cable. Attach your fan. See, I made a mistake. You see this notch right here? That means that this has to be ahead of this pillar. Watch on this machine is this panel has to go under that lip a little bit, or it won't sit down all the way. Screws are in. To help me that I don't have to replace a cable again, I found this on printables.com. It's the Ender 3 S1 cable holder. There it is there in all its glory. So I printed it and installed it here, and it seems, let's get back here so you can see it, seems to be doing a good job. We'll have to test it out and see. But at least the cable's just bending this way and not twisting like this. I also found this little guide and printed it as well to help keep it up and where it should be. So I ran the gantry up to the top position, and I had the belt up in this clip up here, and it was actually too short. So I put it up into the bottom clip, put a zip tie to hold it there. But that seems to give me enough travel with the belt, and if I was going to go all the way up to the full 300, that I have enough flex and everything to where I'm not going to pull anything out or damage anything. I hate this. Zip tied off these little wires because hanging loose, especially this one going over here, it could get into that wheel right there, and we don't want that at all.